guys.
It's mine. Hey, Dad.
Guess we won't be needing this. Oh, that one far. Okay. I just got a Lego set. We're going to build it. And yeah, we're just going to be doing this. So there's two of them. So we're going to be building both of them. This is set 75345. Clone Trooper Specialist Pack. So let's get unboxing. I hit my desk. Let's get unboxing. This is not going well. Hold on. Okay, there we go. That worked. Okay, so we have all the clone troopers. Okay, it's a pretty small set. Won't be needing this. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay. We'll do my little brother's one after. We'll do this one after. So, yeah, I'm gonna save you the boring part, and I'm just gonna build it. I'm gonna be right back. So I just built the clone troopers. We have the two heavy troopers. We'll get their blasters in a second here. So then we have the clone officer. Then we have the clone specialist. Hold on. I know my desk looks like a mess, but trust me, it's gonna look a whole lot cleaner once we get this built. Update, I got their blasters and their add-ons on. So we have the officers. They're not officers, heavy troopers. With their, Leah, can you pause that, please?
Huh?
Can you pause that, please? No, pause it. Your Teletubbies.
My Teletubbies?
Yes, cool. So,
The Teletubbies?
I'm recording, Leah. I have, I can't think. I have the heavy troopers with their visors, the officer with his antenna, and just clone specialist with his thingy. So I'm gonna get building. I'm gonna save you the boring part of me building. I'll give you some updates. This doesn't look anything like a turret yet, like right there. It'll probably look like something soon. This thing looks more like a crab than a turret. It'll probably turn out, hopefully. This is starting to look like a turret more. They have the seat where it can operate. Yeah. The stands are in now. I just gotta build the other side. I'm starting to see it now. It looks more like a turret now. It's gonna stand pretty soon. The stands are in now. It's just... Oh no, okay.
Wait, is there stands in?
Okay, the stands are in. I'm just gonna start building again. I have the, it just looks a little cursed. Hold on. I have the turret built in. I just got it. Oh. I just got it. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Let me just build this. Okay, here we go. I have it built in. I have the thingy built in. And that is Lego set 75345, or 501st Clone Trooper Battle Pack, which just got released this year. Before we move on to the second one, let's look at some of the minifigures. A little tip, if you want to have like full mobility of this, you can remove these pieces on the back. Like they go like right here, and then it stops it from going all the way up. So if like you want it to shoot straight up, you can just remove those back pieces. And then yeah. Okay. And this set will like literally will go well for like short films. Like, look how powerful this thing is. Okay, let's go to the minifigures. I know I said back to the minifigures. So first we have the two, what are they called? 501st Heavy Troopers. They come with these blasters along with a backpack and blue visors. They have some, hold on. They have some really nice, focus here. Focus, please. Okay. They have some really nice leg printing and torso printing. Along with, like, you know, just looking cool. Let's give him back his blaster. I'm hoping to do this all in one, like, go. We'll probably hear my dad in the background. He's playing Call of Duty. We have the clone, we have the clone officer, which is like just a clone officer. He's supposed to have one blaster, but they have a spare blaster, so I just gave him the second blaster, and he's just looking cool with his antenna. Same thing, really nice leg printing and torso printing, and just looks cool. Well, all of them look cool. The clone specialist, which is a specialist, has this nice, really big blaster. I'm bummed out that I can't, like, go to, like, tilt to the side so you can hold it, like, with two hands, but, eh. So, same thing with all these clone troopers. Really nice leg printing, torso printing. Doesn't come with a backpack, but has a visor, one of these visors that specialists have. So, I have another one. So, I want to do, like, a stop motion with them. That'd be really fun. So, I have a second one there, which is my little brother's. It's just the same thing, just a second one. I'm going to build that. I'm not going to record it, because, I mean, you've just seen me build one, so might as well just skip it. Then I want to see if I can shoot a clone with it. That sounded morbid. It sounded better in my head. But, okay. I'm just gonna watch the Clone Wars while I record. It's loading. I'm just about finished the Clone Wars. I've been watching it for so long. I don't want to get copyrighted. The main theme song just started playing. So, that was more. Okay, that was sure went perfect. There we go. Hold on. Wait. I guess we won't be needing this. Okay, that bounced off my head. Okay. We got the squad here. We have 2 clone specialists. We have 4 heavy troopers and 2 officers. So that's gonna do it for this video. Today. So I finished the 2 Lego sets. And I put all of them in a group. Oh yeah, this guy, I don't mind this guy. I just grabbed him. He's a 2-1-12. He is not a 501st. So, we have the whole squad here. We have the specialists. And then, yeah. So, and then I had some phase 1 clone troopers in my collection here. And I thought I'd just throw some spare parts on them with the visors. Just give them a little part of the army. But there is one thing I want to try, and want to know what that is. Try and shoot one. Try and shoot one of these clones. That I know it sounds a little violent, but I mean, hey, it's a battle, so it's a battle pack. So, all right, hold on, I'll start. So, I wonder if I angle this right. Oh, okay, this guy does not want to stand up. Come on. Alright, just aim down a bit. I have no idea. Hold on. So if I put his legs all the way like this, and then angle it right, I could probably shoot the 2-1-12 trooper. A leg just fell off. Okay, that's... Hold on. So this looks a little cursed, but okay, hold on. Aim it a little close so I don't end up losing it on my shelf. Because my shelf's like literally right there, so 3, 2, 1. Okay, we know it works. That's gonna be it for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. This was a really fun video to make. I'll probably make a stop motion with these guys sometime soon.